We are on day 4. We were introduced yesterday to 3 new words. They were resemble, blotch, and lethal. Take a look at this picture, a square versus a rectangle. How does a square resemble a rectangle? Think to yourself for a moment. A square resembles a rectangle because right, we know that both of these figures are a quadrilateral, meaning they have 4 sides, and they also have 4 right angles. So we're going to describe something, and I want you to think, would you? Take a look at the first example. We see a photograph of a banana. The question is, would you eat a banana that has blotches on its skin? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. Let's look at the second example. Lethal. Would you drink a liquid with a label that reads lethal if swallowed? Why or why not? Right, obviously we're not going to drink a liquid that has the word lethal or lethal if swallowed written on the bottle because we know that lethal means that it is deadly or able to kill. Take a look at another example. We see here we have 2 t-shirts. Would you buy a shirt that resembled a shirt you already owned? Why? And the next one. Would you want a job taking care of lethal animals? Why? If you noticed that a friend had a blotch of mustard on his or her shirt, would you tell him or her? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. Okay, that wraps up day 4. We'll see you back next week.